States and local governments across the nation have seen their budgets hammered by the COVID-19 pandemic. But Montana Governor Steve Bullock today said the Big Sky State's finances may hold up quite well and that it's premature to start slashing government spending. MTN's Mike Dennison has more.
In recent days, Montana's Republican legislative leaders have asked whether state government should be cutting back in anticipation of a big drop-off in tax revenue. They say the 2021 legislature will certainly face a deficit because of the economic fallout of COVID-19, and now is the time to start paring back government. But Governor Bullock, a Democrat, said Wednesday that's not the answer.
Montana differs when it comes to our state budget from most other states. Our state finances were in a historically strong position heading into this pandemic. And because of that, we also believe we'll come out of this in a stronger financial position than most states.
Bullock and his budget officials said Montana will end the current fiscal year this June with almost $300 million in the bank and has another $150 million in reserve funds and a firefighting account. They say that strong starting point will help cushion any revenue drop-off and that they're keeping a tight lid on spending when they can. Yet Republican House Speaker Greg Hertz of Polson says he's guessing revenue could be $400 million to $500 million less than expected in the next year. And a new report by the financial service Moody's agrees. Hertz says if that's the case, why not make some cuts now so the full brunt won't be on the next legislature? Bullock said Wednesday it's too early to make that call and that it could cause more harm than good.
The notion that then what we should do is cuts based on what might happen 6 months from now or a year from now, I think it's probably misplaced for a number of reasons. One of which is adding to the unemployment rolls doesn't make a heck of a lot of sense, or cutting services that Montanans rely upon doesn't make a heck of a lot of sense right now.
Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
The governor also noted that budget analysts will have a much clearer picture on tax revenue later on this summer.